40001 or 30001. Holding register or input register. Pick wrong and you get an illegal address exception, or worse, silently read the wrong data. Here's the difference on live data. Holding registers, the 4xxxx range, read with function code 3. They're the general purpose ones, set points, configuration, commands, anything the master might also write. Watch, I can write into 1. That's what makes it a holding register. Input registers, the 3xxxx range, function code 4, are read-only, measurements the device produces, temperatures, currents, counts. Try to write 1 and you get an exception by design. In practice, vendors don't always follow the philosophy. Plenty of devices expose everything as holding registers. So trust the register map PDF and verify against the live device, both ranges side by side, like this. The simulator serves both register types out of the box, so you can practice the difference risk-free. Modbussimulator.com, free 30-day trial. Link in the description.